Hello and welcome back. On today's tutorial, we'll show you how to replace the lens on your Muse and Hobby series laser system. Now whether you order the 1.5-inch lens, 2.5-inch lens, or 5-inch lens, you'll get the same 5 accessories. An air assist cone, focus billet, lens within the lens case, and air assist fitting. After ensuring the laser head is raised and out of the way, remove the air assist hose from the current nose cone. Now, using a 1.5 hex wrench, loosen the set screw, but be sure not to remove it. Now simply remove the current air assist cone. After attaching the air assist fitting to the nozzle, place the new air assist cone under the focus lens and into the slot. Tighten the set screw with the same hex wrench as before. This is the same for all 3 lens systems. Now, reattach the air assist hose. Now simply slide out the old lens and slide in the new one. And that's how you change your Muse and Hobby series lens kits from Full Spectrum Lasers. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos to get more of these videos in your feed. Full Spectrum Laser, manufacturing reimagined.